Alright, so what's going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with another video. Archmass. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Anyways, so we're going to be putting LED lights in my dash, in my, cluster. Because at night, literally all I can see is this half. Can't see anything else, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. There's 3 screws right here, right there, and over there. So I'm gonna take those out, and then we'll get back to it. All right, so make sure you take these off. They have like little indentions. I believe I messed this one up. I don't know. We'll see when I gotta put it back on. Same thing on this one. This one is that one's the headlight one. And then the windshield wiper one is this one. Now, the video I watched, they took this down. They took this down because it's, it's ready to come out. But then you also got to take the steering column down. And there, I think there's a screw right there somewhere. Here's a screw right there. And so I'm going to take that off and keep them rolling. All right, so I got the interior panel off. I honestly did not have to take this off. I just kind of, was able to push it out the way, let the, turn the switch on, put the gear lever all the way down. I put it into 1 and it came off pretty good. So there's 4 screws. This holds this on. One there, one there, one there, and then there's one there. And then there is a clip in the back that I'm gonna have to fight to get off. So this is going to be very, very interesting. So yeah, let's get to it. Yo, it's hot. So I did get the instrument cluster out. There's a wire right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's like right there. That is still hooked up. So I'm gonna have to go get the lights, and I'm gonna have to do all this, kind of like that, because don't know what that wire goes to, and also don't want to mess anything up. So let's go get the lights. I will put the link for these down below. I got them off Amazon. Oh my god, it feels so much better. Yeah, so they're just these lights. I did read while doing this kind of install that if they do not work, to take them out and turn them 180 degrees, because they're not by polarity. I don't know. I be speaking a lot of words. I'm just a redneck country bumpkin who 90% of the time don't know what the hell he's doing. So I'm going to go ahead and start switching out the lights. I honestly think I'm just gonna go ahead and do all of them, because like none of them work. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Like, that's what the bulbs look like, and these are what the new ones look like. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and knock this out, and hopefully it goes back together as good as it came out. Let's hope. All right, I know it's not the greatest in here. Pretty sure I still got it hooked up, but want to show y'all what it looks like. Still don't have all the dash back together because I need to come check the lights. But as you can tell, it's a lot better. I think. No. Still missing some on the other side. I'm gonna have to see if I can get to work. But yeah. So I'm gonna do that right quick, see what I can find. Alright. Now your boy got some dash lights. You can actually see. I didn't fuck with those, because I just didn't feel like it. So that's it for today. I got it to work. Now I gotta put everything back in. But I do got interior lights now. I do got dash lights. See? That's bright. turn signals. This turn signal is working. See, I think I got some shorts, but it is what it is. Everything's working. So that's that. I'm out. Peace.
And I am here to stay right now, so don't call it a comeback.